gentlemen, the BGC Portal. This portal now stands as part of a global artwork. From the organization Office for Global Artwork, the Vilnius is the founder of international team, global network of portal sculptures. A Lithuanian entrepreneur and philanthropist, he envisioned portals over 10 years ago, which has since grown, together with cities and partners worldwide, into a global artwork connecting.
Dear humans of planet Earth, tonight I feel blessed, grateful and honored. It is an invitation to rise above all disagreements, all labels and all borders. This is your bridge to a united planet. This is your portal. It belongs to you. Dear humans of planet Earth, let's transcend the sense of separation and be the pioneers of a united planet.
Thank you, Mr. Gylys. Bonifacio Global City will officially open Asia's first portal, connecting Philippines to the world live in real time. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the BGC Portal. This portal now stands as part of a global artwork that invites us to meet fellow humans beyond borders. Welcome to the portal. To the world, welcome to BGC. May we now call on our guests for the official photo at the BGC Portal. May we call on Mr. Enrique B. Manuel Jr., Chief Operating Officer of FBGC, and Mr. Benediktas Gylys, the founder of Portals Organization. Team. And for our last group photo, may we call on our partners and sponsors who made the BGC Portals possible. Mr. Bernie Lim, COO of United Neon. Ms. Mary Grace Lam, President of Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated. Mr. Danny Becerra, Senior Advisor of Globe Broadband Business. Ms. Owen de Castillo, Senior Vice President of XL Contractors and Developers Incorporated, and Ms. Jillian Yacheco Cantada, Vice President of Major Categories Head, Union Bank. Incorporated, Mr. Danny Becerra, Senior Advisor of Globe Broadband Business, Ms. Owen De La Cruz and Ms. Tina Hina, Design Directors from Habitus Design and CMC Thank you very much to our partners and sponsors. As we conclude the program, we extend once again our deepest gratitude to everyone. The BGC Excel Contractors and Developers Incorporated, Habitus Design Group, BGC Portal with its Globe at Home connectivity. Thank you as well to the Portals organization, the City Government of the Gig, and the One Bonifacio Development Corporation for bringing this global. You are seeing the view from the Portal in Philadelphia, USA, where it is 5 o'clock in the morning. The Portals show different locations every 3 minutes. Today, BGC is included in these feeds.
Yes, it's okay. We can use it.
Unsa, unsa?
You and you say yours. Get rid of your apple. Now I'm worried because I don't
BGC Portal Launch.